What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So today we are going at it again, and we are trying to fix this headliner. So we are going at it with this headliner, and we are trying to see if some Bondo will be strong enough to fix the headliner from being so flimsy. See how it has a bend right here on those two ends? So we're going to take some fiberglass mats and we're going to place it on both sides of the headliner, and we're going to put the restain on it and see if it does not become stronger, or if it becomes stronger, if it becomes strong enough to hold the headliner back up in its stable spot. That way I can get it painted and back in the car and get the fiber optic lights back in it. So we got some sandpaper here, and we're just going to sand this down and try and just remove some of this old stuff that I got on there and any other stuff. But so let's take that reeks. So these are the mats, and I think I am supposed to cut these suckers. Alright, I don't know where I messed up at, but I guess the hardener did its job. The hardener did its job, and that is hard, and I can't use that. That's crazy. And RIP to my brush, because it also destroyed my brush too. Yeah, that sucks. So yeah, he asked me how the process is going though. I think it's going fantastic. I mean, I'm no professional at nothing that I do, but check that out. It actually is pretty freaking solid now, and I'm going to finish it up. Alright, so after letting it sit overnight, I know it came out to looking like a mess, but I tried to sand it down a bit, and I'm going to go in and cut these pieces off on this side, and it did work. It is no longer bendy at that point right there, no more. Same thing on the other side. It is strong again on both of those points. So yeah, it is actually strong again, and it can sit and stand. Before this, it would kind of just tilt over and just fall. So I'm pretty happy about that. So now I can start getting it together for primer and paint, and well, sand down, primer and paint. So yeah, we can get ready to move forward. It was actually pretty dope. I'm actually pretty excited about that. I did not think that it was going to work. I've never worked with Bondo before of any sort, so that was pretty cool. So yeah, hope you guys like that, and I will catch you guys in the next video.